American soldier under investigation as a Jamaican woman goes missing in the United States.
Teach them! Always make sure the message will reach them!
A Jamaican-born woman from the parish of Portland has been reported missing in the United States, and police authorities are theorizing that she may have been a victim of foul play. Missing is 29-year-old Andreen Nicole McDonald. McDonald reportedly failed to show up at work or return to her residence, located near Cano Gulf and Wilderness Oak, on Friday, March the 1st. This, according to officials with the Bexar County Sheriff's Office in San Antonio, Texas. Information is that McDonald had resided in Port Antonio before migrating to the United States. She is a past student of Norwich Primary and Titchfield High School in Portland, Jamaica. Media reports in the United States indicated that McDonald's husband, who is currently serving as a major in the U.S. Air Force, is a person of interest in the case and has been detained for questioning. Investigators reportedly took key interest in McDonald's husband after deputies made contact with him about his wife's disappearance. He quickly asserted his rights to legal counsel and refused to speak to us, Bexar County Sheriff Xavier Salazar told U.S. media in an update on Saturday. Later, police authorities noticed McDonald's husband leaving the couple's home on a surveillance they had placed around the property. He was later discovered to be in a gun shop, where Salazar said he purchased a handgun and ammunition. However, he departed the store without the weapon. He was later arrested outside his residence on Saturday night due to considerations of a possible mental issue on his part. Military investigators and the FBI are now involved in the case due to the husband's active status in the American military. The investigators have so far uncovered blood evidence and are continuing to search the couple's home. However, the probe is still being treated as a missing persons case. Meanwhile, the sheriff's office has appealed for anyone with information on McDonald's whereabouts or anyone interested in sharing surveillance footage to contact them. McDonald is said to be 5 feet 11 inches tall, weighs 160 pounds, and has black hair and brown eyes. According to Salazar, investigators are also probing whether McDonald had voluntarily left the United States, despite leaving behind personal items that someone would normally take with them while traveling. McDonald, who has a 6-year-old daughter and operated successful home care businesses, was last seen on Thursday, said Salazar. She is the operator of Starlight Homes Assisted Living, which consists of 2 facilities providing personal care services for the elderly in the San Antonio region. Information from the company's website suggested that after graduating from high school in Jamaica, McDonald went on to earn an associate degree in marketing by age 18. Marriage and a move to Florida followed before her husband's Air Force career brought them to San Antonio. She earned her business degree in finance from the University of Texas, San Antonio. But McDonald knew her degree would not automatically mean she would get a job. For me to get a job, one has to be available. Someone has to create a job. A biography about McDonald on her company's website stated. It added that Andreen decided to do just that, create a job for herself, while also creating jobs for others, and making a difference for still more people. She founded Starlight Homes at 22, just a month after she graduated from college.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.